how to change display refresh rate on your iPhone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the refresh rate on your iPhone's display from 60 Hertz to 120 Hertz. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So it's important to note that this feature is only available on iPhones 13 and above, Pro and Pro Max. So if it's a regular 13 and above, you will not have that option. But if it is a 13 Pro or Pro Max or above in the version number, then you'll have it. So to get started, open up the settings. Then in the settings, scroll down and you just want to select accessibility. Once in accessibility, select motion. And then we just want to scroll all the way down and you'll see limit frame rate. And if you have limit frame rate turned on, then it's going to force it to stay at 60 frames per second. Now, if you turn that off, then it'll allow the phone to go up to 120 Hertz or 120 frames per second. So now you can close the settings and you have now activated 120 Hertz on your iPhone. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.